Hello, today we will guide you through how to import SVG and convert to editable shapes without rasterizing in PowerPoint. In this walkthrough, we'll take a simple SVG file and bring it into PowerPoint in a way that keeps it editable. That means instead of turning the graphic into a flat image, PowerPoint can convert it into shapes you can work with directly. This is especially useful if you want to change colors, adjust parts of the design, or customize the graphic for your presentation. To begin, open the PowerPoint app and start from the presentation where you want to place the graphic. Once PowerPoint is open, go to the top of the window and click on Insert. This is the tab where PowerPoint gives you options for adding different types of content, including images and vector graphics. From the Insert menu, click on Picture. This tells PowerPoint that you want to add an image file to your slide. After that, choose this device. Selecting this device lets you browse files stored on your computer, which is where your SVG file should be located. Now browse to the sample picture that is saved as in the SVG file. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphic, and the main advantage of this file type is that it stays sharp at any size. Once you find the correct file, insert it onto the slide. At this point, the graphic should appear in PowerPoint just like a normal image, but because it's an SVG, it has more flexibility. Next, right-click on the sample image. This opens a context menu with additional options related to the selected graphic. In that menu, click on Convert to Shape. This is the key part of the process. By choosing this option, PowerPoint changes the SVG from a single imported graphic into editable shapes within the presentation. After the conversion, you'll be able to work with the graphic more directly inside PowerPoint. This makes it much easier to customize elements of the design without losing quality. If you plan to edit the artwork further, it can help to click carefully around the object and confirm that PowerPoint now recognizes it as shapes rather than just a picture. And that's it. You've successfully imported an SVG and converted it into editable shapes in PowerPoint without rasterizing it. This method helps preserve quality and gives you more control over the final look of your slide.